Okay, I have been running AC for a few minutes. It is actually 87 degrees inside. It is set for 75, I believe. And let's want to see the intake. Intake is 81.5, as you can see. And if I could hit the wall, it's 86 degrees. And intake itself is 81.5. And let's go see how much it's outputting. Okay, it's 58 degrees coming out of there. Again, that's the wall, 86, and going in is 60 degrees. Yep, 60 degrees or so. And in the kitchen, wall is 86, and what's putting out there is 57 degrees, 57 degrees or so. And let's go into master. Some of the bedrooms, the vent is closed, and I can't open them up because I can't reach them. And this is one of the den. Now one of the other bedroom by the front. Again, the wall is 87.5, and inside the vent is putting out 58 degrees. And master, and I'll show you. It's 86 degrees, and the wall 56.5 is what's outputting. So we have good 24, maybe 25 degrees difference. So again, that's wall right there, 84.5, and 80 degrees that's going in. So 25 degrees difference or so, which is a good temperature split. And I will test out the heat mode in a little bit. Alright, so now we're down to 86 degrees. I'm going to turn the unit off and wait until it goes off. Now the unit is completely shut off. I'm going to put it in a heat mode and take it up to 90 degrees. Set it up, and heat mode is activated. I hear furnace going up. Okay, now it's showing 87. Output at 110, 111. Yep. That's the wall at 85 degrees. And outputting 111, 110, somewhere around there. intake is 84 degrees. Again, it's putting it out about 114. So that's 30 degrees differential on a heating mode. Again, it is putting out about 116, actually 115 degrees or so in a living room on a heating mode. And kitchen, 113. Yep, 113 and a half or so. And also, so wall is showing at 85.5. Once you go into the vent, it's outputting 116. Smaller bedroom in front of the by the entry door. As you can see, wall is 87 and outputting about 114, 119 directly. And master bedroom. Wall showing 87 and directly it's putting about 120 degrees, 121, 119, 120 degrees. $84, 112, yep, 112 or so. I guess it's about 30 degrees difference, I guess, what's coming in and what's going out. So let's go one more time. Okay, 85 wall, 121. That's getting what's output, and what's been intake is 85 degrees. So good temperature split on a heating also. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.